If you are posting videos and barely breaking 100 or 300 views, listen up. It's not your camera, it's not your lighting, and it's probably not your content either. It's what you're doing after you hit upload that's killing your growth. You see, most people think uploading is the last step, but in 2025, posting a video the wrong way is the #1 reason small creators never grow. And so today I'm going to give you 5 post-upload steps that will get your video seen without spending $1 on ads. Step 1. Optimize your title for humans and search. Don't just describe the video, make people want to click. Start with curiosity, pain, or a you versus them frame. Use numbers or transformation language. Instead of saying marketing tips for 2025, say something like, how I got 3 clients in 7 days with 1 video. Here's my pro tip. Paste this into ChatGPT. Are you ready? Give me 10 viral YouTube titles for this topic. You can insert the video topic and then say using frameworks like curiosity gap, listicle, and time-based urgency. Step number 2, nail your thumbnail before you upload. Your thumbnail should stop the scroll even with no title. Use big, bold text. Use your face with a strong emotion. So for example, pointing, surprise, frustrated, and make sure you add contrast. Dark background, pop-up colors, you know what to do. And here's my bonus tool. Be sure to try free tools like Canva or Photopea to design your own thumbnails, or just take a high-res screenshot and add 3 words in bold yellow or white. So if you're someone who's nervous about editing thumbnails or creating professional looking thumbnails, I already have a free tool for you. You can grab this amazing thumbnail template by clicking the link below this video in the description. It's free. Step number 3, write a hooked, optimized description. Start with 2 to 3 lines that make someone want to watch. Use keywords, but write for humans, not the algorithm. Give us an example for that, Patrick. Fine, I'll give you an example. If your videos are flopping, this video will change the game. I'll show you exactly what to fix after uploading so you finally start getting views. Be sure to include links to your lead magnet, website, or contact. Step number 4, be sure to use your first comment strategically. Pin your own comment below the video. Use it to spark engagement or link to something valuable. So here's an example of something that I would pin in the comments of my video. All right, check this out. What's the biggest struggle with YouTube growth right now? Download my free YouTube script generator here and I would add a link. You see how awesome that was? Comments improve video ranking and encourage watch time. So don't miss that. Step number 5, be sure to promote the right way. You see, most people promote the video like it's a flyer instead of teasing the problem it actually solves. So be sure to tease, don't just dump the video. So instead of saying something like, hey, just dropped a new video, go check it out, say something like, most creators get under 100 views because of this one thing. I finally fixed it. Here's what I learned, and then put a link there. And here's where you can promote your video: on LinkedIn, Instagram Reels and Stories, Facebook groups, email list, and of course the YouTube community tab once it's unlocked. But here's the disclaimer. You don't want to make sure that you're posting your YouTube videos on your personal Facebook page where you just have your friends and family. And here's why. It's actually going to kill your YouTube channel, because while your family members really love you, they might not necessarily care about the topic that you're creating your videos on. So if you post it in there, they might click on it, and then maybe 2 minutes into the video, they're just gonna jump off and just kill your watch time. So be sure not to do that. I personally wouldn't do that. If you really want to promote your video anywhere on social media or Facebook specifically, make sure you're promoting it in a group with like-minded people who care about this topic or who care about your channel and the type of content that you create on your channel. You have a better chance there to get people to click on your video and watch the whole thing instead of jumping off after the first 2 or 5 minutes. Just keep that in mind. Here's the bonus tip. YouTube watches how fast your video gets engagement. If you can drive clicks, comments, or watch time in the first 24 hours, it helps boost your video to more people. And so you need to make sure that you're scheduling your video releases during your audience's active time. If you know 5 to 10 people that really like you, that really care about this topic, you can text or email them to watch and comment on your video. And one other thing that you can do is drop a poll or a teaser before launching your video to build curiosity. If you want help scripting better videos, designing thumbnails that convert, or creating content that actually brings leads to your business, download my YouTube starter kit below. It's 100% free and made for beginners. You can find the link in the description below this video.